how to make your social networks visible to your friends and users you follow on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your social networks visible to your friends and users you follow on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and here click these 3 points and then settings, account info, and then just go down and here you will find visible to click on it and then select this one and save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.